If you duplicate a lot of tubular keys, I have a machine I think you just might love. All right, so in this video, I'm gonna be talking about and demoing the Wenxing 423A tubular machine. They've recently done an upgrade on it. I'm super pumped up about it. And well, let's cut a key. Of course, let's test it. And most of all, let's have a little bit of fun. Let me take the camera, pop it up top. All right, so here is the Wenxing machine, and I'll cut a key here, have a little bit of fun. I got this 7-pin key right here. And so what I'm gonna do right over here is I'm just gonna stick it on, and then it's gonna butt up right here on that top little shoulder piece like that. Now, when it comes to the actual machine and aligning a blank key, you're gonna see this here. This is called the locator. Okay, and you'll see how it works in a minute. Now, the cool part is that this is actually a updated locator. So if you have a Wenxing machine or the one you have is missing it, you can actually get this, bolt it right on, and you're gonna love it. It's really awesome. So essentially what you're gonna do here, okay, is you're just gonna make sure the machine's turned off, of course, and you're gonna stick the blank key in just like this, all right? You loosen it up. There we go, so it'll get in there. All right. Now, when we get it in here, is what you're gonna see. Okay, if you can see this here, see it's on a spring. Okay, and what's gonna happen is you're just gonna push this in and bring this down. Okay, bring the locator down. Now, it's gonna automatically align it perfectly from, tip to tip here. So when you do that, you're just gonna take this little bar here and we're gonna tighten it down. Okay, you don't gotta get too crazy, but definitely, make it nice and firm. Just like that. We'll put it back in its little spot here. Now, we need to remove the locator out of the way, and then we're gonna wanna put this little shield up, which is gonna cover any of the little deburr pieces as it's cutting. Now, one thing I want to preface, if you've never cut a tubular key on a machine like this before, okay, you just want to go nice and smooth and easy. And what we're going to do is we're going to go all the way around the key, and then we're going to come back that same way. All right, and then of course we've got a test lock here to test it out in. So with that being said, we have the locator out of the way, we have the shield up, we are ready to cut the key. Here we go. So what I'm gonna bring it over, and I'm just gonna put it on the first little cut here. I'm just gonna go nice and slow. And it's gonna go all the way until it stops. Okay, go to the next. All the way until it stops. And the next one. Nice and easy. All the way on there. Okay. All right, one more. Okay, so now we're technically done, right? But I like to go back through them just to make sure the opposite direction. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, let's make sure it's just, maybe you won't have the problem, but I've always found by doing it this way, just ensures I get everything and don't have to rejig it. Okay, just like that. Let's turn it off. Wait for the cutter to stop. Let's bring the shield down, pull this back up here, and then now we'll just loosen it up, and you'll see it kind of pop out, just like that. All right. Let's take a look at it here. Looks pretty gosh darn good if you ask me. And now it's time to test. Are you ready? Here we go. Turns nice and good. Pull it out. So that is how you use this machine. All right, so there you have it. I tell you what, I absolutely love the new upgraded locator. I think it's super important. If you have a older Wenxing machine and that doesn't have it, definitely get a hold of us, or I want to put a link in the notes here. This thing is so much better than the old one. But of course, I wanna know what you think. Do you use one of these machines? What are your questions about it? What's your experience about it? Let me know and let everyone else know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, before you go, I wanna make sure that you know to include the hashtag Lockboss when you comment on our videos, and you automatically get hooked up to win free stuff that we give away each and every week. Tune in live here on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and find out who the lucky winners are. I'm rooting for you. We'll see ya.